Hi Lise, this is the first in what I hope just to be a couple of videos showing you how to use this Flowmapps tool. So you can see I've thrown in a couple of pages. I'm assuming the structure is going to change significantly, so I didn't try to put all of the pages in here, but I needed a few in just to use as an example for how this works. We'll start with the stuff that's up here at the top. This will show you who is on the project, who's been added, so you can add more people here if you want to. This is the project info tab, so if we need to, you can add an overall description or overall project status text here, anything that you want. You can upload some overall files that may be needed, whether those are Excel sheets, Word docs, PDFs, whatever it is. And then this tool here allows you to create a backup. So if potentially maybe you're going to add somebody and you're afraid they might make a change that you don't want, or you might want to revert, you can create a backup state for the project. Or maybe you just get to a key state in the project and you want to make sure that you don't mess it up or anything. This allows you to create a backup of the project that you can revert or restore to. This right here, I doubt you'll need it, but it allows you to export like an actual visual, JPEG of the sitemap, a visual for it. And the reason I don't think that you'll need that is because you can also share a project link with it via URL. So if you give somebody access to it through this, they can look at the web link, but they won't be able to make any changes. This second row here, this allows you to, I'll get into it later, but you can label pages different statuses and you can create statuses. And then this allows you to filter for those statuses. So I went ahead and I applied in progress to one down here. So now you can just see only the pages that are in progress. It kind of brings those forward for you and grays out everything else. Can be a handy tool when we get further into the project and are using statuses potentially to show what's approved or not approved or still in flux, etc. This is pretty obvious. It just allows you to zoom in and zoom out. Becomes handy when you start to end up with a lot of pages. So here's one that we've been working on, and you can see, like, if there get to be a lot of pages on here, it can be a nice way to be able to zoom out and get around in the project. This one allows you to just simplify the view here. So you can see this one has a cover view applied to it. And I'll get into that a little more later. But if you click over here, it just provides you a very simplified view of things. If the little cover images are becoming distracting, or you really just need to focus in on what the names of the thing are, it just simplifies the view. And then this last one right over here just shows it to you in outline form. So it kind of shows you first tier, second tier, and third tier pages in a, basically an outline format for the pages. Yeah, I think that's it for this. This obviously is a search tool. You can search for things using it. Pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, I think that is all we need to do for these top tier things. And the next one will be about using the actual pages here.